It's so ano oh.
Why are we so look-alike?
Can
It's
you
so
remove
annoying.
na? Oh, sige.
I'll just remove. Sige, ako then. I will just change myself.
Sister, no, it's like, or ano ha? Ano yung Star Witness?
I will just change myself too, sis.
We're gonna grind today, Dabber guys. Kasi we're
Sis,
so
what's
bored.
your lunch?
Thank you, Walk with Erica. Salmon, sis.
Oh, sis.
And alam mo yung mackerel?
Mackerel.
Yeah, that's the food. It's cooked by Nicole Hot.
Wow! How is Nicole hot? What was her reaction last night?
She was super shy. She's a shy girl, diba?
Oh, I said, hi, Nicole hot. And then she ignored me.
She's shy eh.
Why is she like that naman, sis?
I know, right? That's
Sis, we're so
Nicole talaga.
look-alike. Why naman like that?
Sister, huwag na nga mag-shades.
Why?
Kasi you look so fresh eh. And then me,
That's not true,
like,
sis.
I'm mabait. Ang ganda ni Mas, tapos si Raisa mabait.
Sis, this one or the other glass?
Guys, hindi kami nag-i-English dahil maarte po kami. Gaya na nag-challenge kasi kami mag-English.
Ganyan talaga
Kasi-
kami mag-usap, guys.
Yeah, kasi guys, you know, we have to practice our English.
Sis,
English.
I'll just wear this.
Thank you, Nicole Hot.
Nicole Hot! Baka, Nicole Hot. You said you'll change your username na. Why naman like that? How was Team Rice's sister? Meet and greet.
I have no idea, but I think it went well naman, sister.
That's so good, sis. Because I saw her stories.
Ah, diba?
Yeah. Di kita nakita na kahapon, sis. Nakakainis.
Kasi nga, sis, I went to, to the other
Ate Badet. And then,
office
you
na.
made chika pa. That's why.
Yeah, and then,
Oh.
yeah. And then I went back to the dressing room. You were not there na. It's
Sino
just
na nang
me
naiwan?
also.
Oh,
Kuya Ronnie eating there.
Because
Yeah,
sabay-sabay
oh my
kami,
gosh.
Ate Tess, Ian.
Yeah, we made sign. And
Because you're so rich, sister, eh.
our sister.
Yes. Why naman like that, sister?
You should, sabi nila, everything's gonna be alright. What if hindi? Pwede mag-turn left. Oh,
Oh.
you should Pilates workout. Perfect for girls na nagka-calorie deficit.
Hi, Milali.
Hello. Thanks for
Bakit, sis?
inviting.
Wala na. Mga ganyan naman. Ayain mo si Rides, di naman matutuloy, guys.
Huh?
Pilates, nag-usap tayo.
Hello,
Sis, sabi mo
sister?
ano tayo, Spider-Man?
Hello?
Sister!
Hello.
Ganyan.
Ako nakapanood ever ng Spider-Man. So,
Oh.
hindi ko alam yung backstory.
Maganda sa IMAX.
Baka may continuation yun, di ba? May mga parts na.
Eh, di manood ka muna ngayon habang
I don't like mga superhero, mga movies.
only, Lastic Man only. Lastic
Of
Man.
course.
Bossing.
Okay,
Gagambo.
Nakita ko na sa FB yung kanta, nahiyara ka talaga. Pag nandyan si Ate Mas, naka-artista look ako. Ganito ako pag andyan si Ate Mas. Making it's good job, it's good singing voice. Wow naman, sige na nga. Request kayong kanta. Char! Siguro mamaya. Mamaya! Naniwala naman. Bagay may salamin. Sige na nga. Bag. Hi po, Ali Malit baby face. Yes, baby face. Add mo si Artemas. Live na ba siya? Wala pa naman guys eh. Hindi pa yata siya live. Nag-umad ako because of today's bar. Thank you. Stay healthy. Coming from me. Shout out Ate Nicole kung nandito ka. Mag-send ka nga ng rose or galaxy. Pakibalik yung galaxy ko if nandito ka nga. Hello, wala siya. Hindi siya nagsasend ng galaxy. Hindi naman. Quality time. Wow, tricycle. Quality time. Parang quality time lang. Oh. Yun lang. Sometimes, words of affirmation. Mga 2% siya, ano lang. Pero feeling quality time talaga.
Masaya ako sa barangay, pero ang namimiss ko bukod sa Dabber Cats, luto ni Team Raisa. Kasi guys,
Yes,
kasama ako sa baon ni Raisa palagi. Kasama sa bilang. I miss your luto, Team Raisa. Mag-blush on ka nga, sis. Daldala natin yung sis. Hi, kuya!
Ikaw nga, kuya, kasi nakita kita live ka kagabi.
Talaga? Nasaan si kuya? Nasa ano lang, Fairview?
Yata. Anong zodiac sign mo, Ate Mas?
Taurus. You. Gemini. Gemini.
What? Ano? Ano iyo?
Hi, Team Riza.
Sister, am I lagging or you're lagging?
Hindi ka naglalag sa akin. Baka ako naglalag sa'yo. Nawala na siya.